Ladies and gentlemen, very many other people nibakayongera kuija.
Habo busingu situwayikireho Kitara FC tukiterero mu ngaro. Bwabale kuteeka mutindo ati bogenda okagamba ndi wabunyoro buli munagamba
mukuru Jonadi asimwe tumuhairewe executive patron bwokuba kikaro kya patron ekikusinga tukakihaereza prime minister so nasigaire nka executive patron bwokuba prime minister tukamuha ekikaro ekyo kiri ceremonial most kyokutuyamba in terms of mobilization and the others but executive patron ajja kuba ina powers muku signing abasambi kuli basa team so buli kintu kyone kijja kubaho executive patron tujja kuba nitu discussinga nawe nyo nawe the executive yona kurura team ya Gendo Maiso
omukutera kapira mukakasinga mu manyengo abantu bagenda gura ebintu mu town home abantu barale ma hotel bakoleki omwana afuneki school fees somewhere okay so we are doing something continuous.
The requirements almost 70% zikwetagisa kurora twasamba omupiira gwa confederation kandi tujja kuba nitusambira nambole omazire kutwikiriza ngu tujja kuba tukozesa ekisayi kyabo kandi tumazirira n'okufuna etimu y'abakazi nkeri requirement Lady Doves tujja kuba nitukora nayo kale tusayiningire memorandum nayo